Yep, it is. It's up in the right corner. You guys should see it. It's and it looks even better this time. I think she got it right. All right, so like I said, the dollar. So the dollar did rise a lot. It seems like it's coming back. So we'll see what happens. Went through Microsoft, went through Meta. Meta. Everything is ranging.
Everything is raining, right? Oh, sorry. My fault.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Headphones for you, bro. I don't know what's up with your.
What's still? I was gonna. That's what I was about to ask you. Okay. All
Yeah, it's
right.
terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible.
All right. Abgo, Apple, everything. I like when it's compressed like that because it's usually made for a breakout, and the EMAs likely give you an idea of what's going to happen. I don't see anything jumping out. Let's see IWM. I don't want to forget IWM again. IWM on the 15-minute has a death cross happening. Could have already played out. EMAs are lagging, but if the move didn't like happen really well, if we get under 245 with IWM, we can see 244 to the monthly. So that's a nice move for IWM. Let's watch out for that. I like that move. I put my bell on, so you guys watch out too. So please, somebody put 245.69. I think that is. Let's see. Yeah, 245.
And that VIX dropped heavy yesterday after we
Yeah,
got on.
yeah, man. I was trading like didn't I tell you guys gold was gonna drop because of Derek has other indicators, but I was telling you based on like the moon phases. I'm watching this weird guy that trades with like astrological stuff, and he said that gold and silver were gonna drop more than you've seen in a long time. And I took gold and I funded my account because of drops on gold. So yeah, it went crazy yesterday. So like you guys, all that, like Derek just said, all strategies can work. Obviously. So I'm just looking through
Even the astrological.
everything can work. You know what I mean? Everything can. So let's see if there's anything else. I'm just trying to click through some stuff. I know I talked about AT&T. Let's look at Netflix. When
Netflix has a 7-8% drop after earnings.
Bro.
They missed on revenue mostly because they won't submit it, but they lost a lot of subscribers thanks to Elon Musk. They're blaming it on the Brazilian tax stuff.
Yeah, they said something about they didn't get the tax
fucked
right.
it all up.
So think about that. If we watch and wait for the tax, because they're gonna say, "Oh, we fixed it," and as soon as they fix it, what's gonna happen? All the money comes flooded right back in there. So let's look. Where the hell is my Netflix?
I think it's coming to a supply zone. I was looking at it earlier.
So
Also, be careful. It is Wall Street Bets meme season as well. They are on it today with DNUT. They're on it today with FLWS, flowers.com, 1-800-Flowers.com. Obviously, Beyond has gone beyond any expectations. There's a couple other ones that are pushing. So meme stocks, if you're hearing about them online, you might be too late into them. Make sure they've got some sort of real backing that can continue this. Beyond actually has that with Walmart, they're pushing with them. You've got a couple other ones that might be good, but just be very, very, very careful. If you're seeing it posted everywhere, it could just be a meme stock pumping up right now.
yeah. So this is what I do. I look at Yahoo Finance. I told you guys, and Yahoo Finance had DNUT on there. It had Beyond, AIRE, VRT. Not sure what VRT is. What is that?
Yeah, VRT it probably had on there. Probably had FLWS. You probably had AIRE, and you kind of a couple other ones. Everything again. DNUT, Krispy Kreme donuts. They were basically heading towards bankruptcy. They're now all of a sudden up 30%. They're up 14% yesterday. They're going to be up 30% in the pre-market. It went all the way up. These companies don't that they're still maybe going out of business or having a bad plan. It's just they're overly shorted. And by that I mean over 40% of the float is shorted. And now they know that retail can actually pump these. A hedge fund last night was liquidated, or they're being liquidated, I should say, and they got margin called because Beyond went over $4.04. They're having to sell their Apple position. That's one of the positions I've been told they were having to sell. They sold it this morning. You can see it. They had to sell $50 million in Apple. So it gives you an idea of why Apple's down too. And I told that to Chris last night before it happened.
But look at it. It looks like it could potentially come down to the 200 at least, which is 259. So let's look for Apple. I'm going to turn on Jarvis in a second. I just want to pick you guys some contracts and look at the exposure. So let me set up the exposure real quick and see what it is. Let's see what we're looking at for the day. We're doing well on time. We have 15 minutes, which is more than enough time if I just stay focused, and we'll get through it and we'll get set up. I'm calm today for some reason, very calm.
You gonna log on to Coleman?
Did I do what?
Did
Okay.
you hear Kathy Woods move some of her money from Palantir to like Quantum and Spotify?
All right. So we have I didn't. I see we have the 6730 puts have 2.24 billion. The highest pull to the upside is 6780. We have a weird little guy up here at 6825 that just has a random spike. There's some money over here. I'm gonna watch for this guy to grow. Let's see what happens. 6825. So yesterday Cassandra did a good job. She wrote down with pen every strike price that I was looking at. So the strikes I'm looking at right now to the downside puts, we have 6730s. Obviously, they're going to be a lot of money. And then we have the 6700s. I like those a lot. There's 1.3 billion. And then this little guy down here, the 6650s to the downside. To the upside, we have 6760, 6780, and 6825 to the upside. So we'll grab a few of those, chart those. You guys have them. Also look at the same thing. What else do we have? All right, cool. So we're looking good. I went through everything. I'm looking. Let me look at some contracts now. Alexa, play some classical piano. All right, let's see.
Classical piano on Amazon Music.
Let's see what we have. All right. Okay. SPX today is the 22nd. Mm. 6780 calls have a nice amount of volume and open interest for whatever reason. They're currently $1.45. I'm gonna grab those 6780s. They're very far out the money, but they're 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 strikes out the money, just one above where I would like it to be. 8 strikes out the money is usually where we like to be, but we'll see. Then we have on the, see what else we have. See what else has some nice. Watch your mics, guys, please. Watch your mics. Let's see what else we got. Then we have the 6790s are even higher. Not touching those though. Those are a little far, but who knows? Who knows? And remember, the 6800s have the highest open interest. Just watch out for the 6800s. Currently 30 cents. So if we just get some crazy news today for whatever reason, the 6800s could go crazy. Remember the 30 cents. Yeah, I probably won't touch those, but you know, they can go 100% in no time because they only got to go to 60 cents. Let's see, what else did I say? So the 6780s, I said the 6760s, the 6760s, 6770s and the 6760s. 6770s, those are the 67.
Hey, Kiki, can you check your mic, please?
6760, 67. The 6770s, those look good too. Those actually fit our criteria as well. Those fit within, those are actually 7 strikes out the money. And those are $3 right now. So I'm gonna grab those and watch those. Yeah. I'll grab those. All right, and now we grab 2 puts. So the put side, we have the 6700s are 310. I like those. The 310. Grab those fit. Those fit perfectly, actually. Those are like, I like whole numbers and I like $3 in the morning. And then we have the 6650s. Those are $1. I like those a lot. Today's gonna be an easy day. Let's get one of those. I like it. So I got everything. Tell you guys what I'm watching. Call side 6780, 6770s. Put side 6550s. And no, 6550s is crazy. Why I don't have that? Hang on. That can't be it. Wait, no, 6650s I should have gotten. Hang on.
I think the 60s.
Hang on. Wait 1 second. Let me take a look again, guys. Give me 1 second. 60. No, what was it? 66. Wait. Oh, 6700 and the 6660s. So the 6660s and the 6700s. Those are the two. Yeah. And the 6700s. Grab these. The 6700s are creeping up. That they have already went up 10% since I said them. Yeah. Okay, I got everything now. Alexa, play some opera. All right,
And the station you might like, opera, on Amazon
I
Music.
bet. All right, VIX is pumping. That looks good. We have 7 minutes, perfectly on time. I'm all done. I'm gonna throw my exposure over here. Get rid of the Discord. I'm gonna show you guys my screen, and then I'm gonna go to my exposure over here. All right, cool. So I'm watching. One last thing I didn't do. I didn't look at futures with you guys. Futures was flat when I looked at it earlier. They're still flat. Perfect. Futures is flat. I like that. Cool. Looks like we could get a pump. And now I'm going to throw on Jarvis. Let's see what Jarvis got to say about all of this. See what Jarvis got to say about futures, even though it really, I don't use futures very much with Jarvis because futures is just psychotic. I do like yesterday I figured a strategy. I trade futures when they get colored candles on Jarvis. So when they get a colored candle like a red or orange or a blue candle, I'll definitely trade it like that. But okay, Jarvis. Hit it with the Jarvis. Let's see what Jarvis got to say. Okay, so gold, we got blue candles. We're coming up to a trend line on M and Q. We could catch a reject right here. ES, we broke out of a trend line. Let's see what happens. We broke out of a trend line on the 15-minute. ES, same. Okay, so yeah, ES and NQ are moving just a little different this morning. We already broke out of a trend line with ES, so maybe tech follows, or we'll see. Okay. VIX got a stick. Let's go. Let's go. All right. VIX got a stick, so that means SPX can come down. So the puts that we were looking at, the 6660 puts, they're $1, and the 6700s are 320. I like the 6700s. We'll see what remember 320 right now. Let's watch them. They're saying they can get to $19. So those are the ones I'm going to be eyeing immediately. I'm going to be eyeing those immediately, but no, I won't get it. I'll tell you when I'm in. But those are ones I'm going to pull up on my phone right now.
Hey, can everybody please check your mic, because every time one of your guys' mic comes on and you don't know it, I had to stop what I'm doing. I was currently looking at Tesla contracts for you guys. Now I had to stop, see who's talking or see whose mic is going crazy. And then that makes me miss a play, and that makes y'all miss a play. So if y'all can help me out and see, they might not know their mic is going crazy. So that's not really, it's kind of their fault, but it's not their fault. So if y'all can help me out to shorten that time to see whose mic is going on, and then I'll message them or try to get it handled, or let Chris know that this person's mic is on right now, so he doesn't have to stop if you guys are in a play. So that's what I was doing, and then I had to stop doing that for you guys. So just help me out, and then everybody else, just make sure you check your mic every 5 minutes. If you're going to get water, if your lady comes by, or if you get a phone call, check it. Just check your mic for us, please.
And Chris, make sure you say your disclaimer.
Thank you. So
For
this
sure.
is not financial advice. Look at SPX, guys. It's already starting to go down. Look at it. My disclaimer is this is not financial advice. You know, speak to a licensed professional if you think, you know, if you want to have anything to do with your money. I am not that guy. I'm taking trades, and if you like to follow along, that is your prerogative. But this is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. Okay, so 67. Oh, they're down to 6700s are 320. 6700s are 320, guys. We'll watch out for those. Let them play out. Let's get an idea of what's happening. But I like them so far. 6700 puts. So pull those up. Pull those up. We got 2 minutes. Alexa, pause. I like those. What do we have above our head? 1849. Okay. Alexa, pause. 51 seconds, guys. Just, you know, don't do anything crazy. Well, do whatever you want, but I like 6700s, but at the same time, I want to make sure that they're right. You do know what happens. Phone on silent. $25 seconds. $25 seconds. 320. 12, 10. Mic watch.
Check your mics.
2, 1. All right, here we go. 370, 390, 380. Watch it. 390, 380, $4, 410, 430, 390. They're 410 already. They went up $100 already. 411. Damn it. Those went crazy at 414 already. 450. Damn it. Anybody catch them? I know somebody did. I know somebody caught them. Oh my God. I know somebody caught them. They're 520. Damn it. 550. Fuck. All right, it's all good. 550. They're 520. Damn it, man. Damn it, man. The other ones are 170. They almost went 100%, guys. The other ones went 100%. Watch it though. They're coming back down. But actually, I don't. It has a crazy bounce right here. An area I'm seeing. So at one time, yeah, at 510 again. That was a nice move if you would have caught them early. But the other ones, the 6660s are 170. Let's just give the 5-minute candle some time to play. I'll find another contract. But did anybody catch them? Man, that was crazy. What a move from 320 to 520 in less than a second. That was nuts. Let's see.
Yeah, that VIX flew up.
Yo, man, I saw it. I should have just put the order in. But we went up 60% on the 6660s. They went crazy too. Man, don't chase. So I know some of you chased, but don't chase. Don't chase. Don't chase. All right, guys. I took one at 490. I just had to. I didn't chase it, but let's see what happens. I'm break even, so you guys have time, but they're expensive as all heck. But everything is matching up for me. So but they're down. They're down to the back break even. They're 490, 491. They're expensive, so be careful. This is not my typical $3 play. You have the other ones, 6660s puts. I like those. Those are 6660, $1.55. I like those too. Those are the ones I like. Let's see which has the biggest. 6700s have the biggest.
Jarvis has a stop loss on Meta at 731. Meta's currently at 732.
So the 66
outside.
6670s have the 6670s actually, guys, are 240. I like those. I'm up to $6 a contract. I got in at 490. They're $6. They're saying they can get the 610. The 6660s are $2 now. They went 100%. Oh man, SPX is falling out of the sky. I'm 615, 620. Anybody get in? Did anybody get in 630? Did anybody get in? I know you did. I know some of you did. We have a demand zone right here, so you might want to just take your little $100 and go. That was $100 in no time. So, all right, nobody got in. Good. They were too expensive. We got the 6670s at 245 and the 6660.
If you picked that on NQ futures, congrats, you made about 10 grand.
You just went crazy on 10. You just went crazy. That's what I'm watching. NQ and NQ. Look at that. Look at NQ, guys. I want you to see what NQ did. just so you can see it. I'm looking at it on my
80
screen.
points.
Look at this right here. That is absolutely insane. Look at that. That's why I took it. This is why I took 650. Anybody take these with me? Yes or no? If you didn't, don't say
It's
anything.
almost 90 points.
Oh my
for
God,
$7.
$7.
I'm in the 66, 70s.
Let's go. See, you're in that 66, 70. I didn't tell you to get in that high. I got in at 5.490, bro. But we're still gonna keep. We're still gonna keep
Yeah,
going.
too expensive for me.
Oh yeah.
but then you have to skip out.
Don't chase. Yeah.
Contracts moves differently.
Do not chase, bro.
Wait, he said he got in the 66, 70s, not the same.
Oh, okay, got you. My
Yeah,
bad.
66, 70s. I'm up right now.
Yeah, you should
Up
be.
20
Everybody's up. The
bucks.
66, 70s are good. The 280. What'd you get in at?
265.
Excellent. Okay, cool. Cool. Watch them. They're coming back down. There's gonna be a crazy spike the other way. So take your money if you can. Do not just hold on just for their life. That's not how we trade. Not how we trade. We don't hold on. You went up 50% already. Well, not you, but some of you guys went up 50% already. I definitely did. Oh man, I went up to $7. The 630 right now, 650. The 650, 670, 650, 640, 607, 590. You're going to watch it. They're still going to keep coming down. I feel we still have a lot of room up, but you already made your money. You guys made your money. You made these are 650. The other ones, the 6660s are 215. The 6670s are 280. So you made money already, my boy. You got 225, 666, the 666, 650. 60 so if nobody got in the 6700s, then don't worry about it. We're not going to say anything. We're not going to talk about it anymore. I'll talk about the other contracts. All right.
I got in the 66, 70s.
Okay.
50 and got at $3.
Okay.
$3.
Okay, you got it.
But I think I'm a re-entry.
Okay. Watch it because they're coming back. They're coming back. I'll chart those because I did in the 66, 70s. You got in at $3. The ask. Yeah, watch it, guys. We don't stay in these first plays. We don't stay in very long. We stay the 66, 70s are 270. Right now, you got in at $3, so you're down $40. We don't stay in these plays very long at all. These we don't stay in very long. We just try to get in and out of the first play within like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. Like we take the 20-30% and go. Like it's probably even more. Like I got up to 66, 70, and I was like, that's enough. So they're back down to 550, and you're down. Let's see if there's any. Yeah, there was a slight bounce. It didn't bounce on anything in particular, but that bounce is there. Back down. These are back to break even. These are
Texas blue candles was kind of coming down.
These are back to break even, guys. They went up to 6 set. Yeah, all right. Play done. That was fast. That was fun. Now it's time to look for something else. That was a quick one. If you guys missed it, that's cool. Like I'm gonna find it. That one was expensive, but it went from 320. I called it out at $3.20. I didn't get in at 320. I got in at 490, and it went up to just under $7. Just under $7. It went up to 697 to be exact. They went up to 697.
Tesla contracts are stupid.
Yeah, I told you. We can't play Tesla today. That's when you were today.
That's earnings. That's why.
Yeah, you were talking about it. I was like, there's no way we could take that today, bro. No way. Look at these contracts that came back. The 66, 70s are 195. the one that $2. So if anybody wants those,
Meta.
but
Meta's at 3 since Jarvis called it.
guys, watch out. Everything is coming back up. Everything is coming back up.
Let's go.
Everything's coming back up. We'll see what happens. Let me throw on my EMAs. Let me look at I'm sorry, my screen is not on that. Look at that bounce, guys. My goodness, that bounce was.
Let's go.
That bounce is incredible. Are you talking about a meta play? Did you call out a meta play?
Yeah, I call out meta. I call out meta twice.
Meta what?
Calls.
I know.
Jarvis's entry.
What meta? What did you call a play in particular? I just want to make sure I write it down.
I called out calls at Jarvis's entry. I gave his entry.
It will be 12 meme stocks, so be careful, y'all.
IWM is crossing to the down. IWM triggered, guys. IWM triggered. Let's see.
What was that, Derek?
Meme stocks.
Meme stocks got halted, 12 of them.
Oh, wow.
Robinhood doesn't have liquidity for them. Here we go, GameStop all over
Yo,
again.
there it is. Look at IWM, guys. Let this candle close, and then you can take IWM puts. I told you about IWM puts today. IWM puts. Wait, well, let's see if we get. Oh, we need a candle close. We need a candle.
I could have got a bad. Some put sweeps came in on IWM 244s for today. Just so you know,
those are the ones I called. IWM. Take a look and watch them. But we didn't get them yet because look at everything is wicking hard. Everything is wicking really hard. Yeah, there's a lot of support right there, guys. We can end up headed back up. Let me look at the exposure.
All below.
Yeah, we could go either way. We're just gonna watch it. We're gonna see what we get. It's pulling to the downside. We have 1.34 billion to the downside still, 1.6 billion to the upside. Yeah, guys, just
if you want to look at it, Meta is at Jarvis's entry now, not his stop loss. He has his entry always above, $2 above his stop loss. So now it's at Jarvis's entry.
So oh wow, VIX just jumped out VIX just gapped up, bro. What was?
That's crazy.
Are you looking at the gap up on VIX? It's $19. No, 1869. A gap. Okay, I see what happened.
Yeah, no.
It hit the London high. Okay, did you see that gap up though? Are you looking at it on the 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Bro, there's a whole gap. How did that happen? Bro, how did I miss that?
Yeah, I missed the 19, and it only hit 1880 something.
Bro, it hit 19. Oh, it hit $19.
Yeah, that's the London high too.
Bro, what? Yeah, the London high is being made right now. Remember, until 11 o'clock, the London high. Watch IWM. Look at it, guys. Look at IWM. We have another minute and 21 seconds to get into this. Then we have, IWM. Look at it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch IWM. Well, we can't do anything about IWM yet. It is not doing anything. It's just staying right there. We may get. Listen, look at I'm doing NQ. NQ came all the way back up.
Oh my goodness!
NQ retraced all the way. Listen, look at calls. The 67.70s are $1.87, $1.92. 67.70 calls. Look, wow, everything is back up. Wow.
Bro, I missed that.
Wow.
Q's came down that far. I missed the bounce.
Yeah, bro, that bounce was absolutely diabolical, bro.
That's crazy.
Yo,
I can't miss that.
$2 for the 67.70s. They're back at $2. The low was 140. Oh man. Yeah, we didn't get IWM didn't do anything. It literally just did a doji, a huge doji at that. Look at that. Well, that was a look at that. I don't know what the hell that is. Let's see if we can get an indication of what things want to do. ES still looks, pretty bearish, but that was a crazy gap.
The VIX is dropping.
VIX is.
Let's go.
Reese, which meta contract did you select?
Wow.
740s.
Sell signal on ES. I just caught a quick play on ES. Like I had to just trade for today. But I got in and made $12 in just a second.
About 10% on this. So not much.
Watch out for calls. Watch out for calls. I think it's a bear trap. I'm looking at it. It looks like a bear trap. I'm a bull trap. Sorry. Look, everything's falling again. ES is falling hard. ES is falling hard. Those 6770s.
VIX jumped up.
20%.
That's a nice move. Be careful. You guys are in that. You're in that. Watch out. Watch them. Everything is doing what it did yesterday. Looks like things are ranging in both directions. Look, it's like these candles are huge, but they're just going back and forth. They're like dancing in place. So we have a range of everything. Look at it falling again. ES is dropping down hard. Watch out. Everything is doing a dance this morning.
Yeah.
Doing everything. So just be careful of everything. I'll call out something else if I see it. I did like the 6670 puts. They are $2 now. I know somebody got them at $3, so they can get to these can get to $4.94. They can get to $6. They can get to
Which contract?
the 6670s. I'm not in them yet. But those look good. I want to wait till we get a close under this, but the 6670s are 205, 6670s are 220, 215. I know Felicia got in at $3. She chased a little bit, but we're not looking for a small move. So I think those can go. We got to wait till these get down, close under this, because it's just going back and forth. You can get wicked out really fast. These contracts are moving very, very volatile this morning.
Tesla just went below the support.
Yeah, we can't take Tesla today, guys. The IV is absolutely horrendous. The IV is horrendous. The IV
Which might be cheap.
It's over 100. But look at, they might be really cheap, but look at the IV. Just make sure you check it before you get in. Anything like above like 50 is nuts. I mean, not nuts. 100 is nuts. But you try to look, everything's falling again. But the VIX is not.
Meta is still up.
The VIX is pushing up. The
VIX is climbing.
VIX is climbing.
Meta is that is up $4 or $5 since Jarvis called it right at my level for the bounce.
And Meta is moving.
Meta,
I put it out there. It's on my page.
Watch it. Meta has to break through this level. Meta has to break through this level. It's a triple top right here. Meta could fall from right here if it doesn't break through. It broke through. Well, it got to close through. But Meta has this area right here that it's at pre-market high. And it hit that level 2 times and fell significant. Oh, wow. Looking at Jarvis had a sell signal, but it broke through and it got rid of the trend line. Watch it. Your Meta is running. You can take Meta over this level of 437 12. 437.12 with the candle close. But you got to be quick. But I don't know. You get candle close over 437.12 with the candle close. Candle close over 437.12. Candle close, but look, I don't like see it. It could triple top right here. This level is very tough for Meta. This level has been tough for Meta right here. But we have green candles, 93% strong buy. But right above his head, you have a 21-day supply. I'm not touching Meta right now. 21-day supply right here. If you look at my screen, that's nothing you want to mess around with. You wait till that gets over that. And if it gets over that, it's going to fly. So that's the good thing. If it gets over that, it's going to fly. And you need stuff like this to get it over it. You need this. You see a 93% strong buy. Things are doing like it did yesterday. It doesn't feel like anybody's speaking today, but at the same time, it's just ranging back and forth drastically.
I'm at 50% on Meta. 55%.
Which one? Meta just crossed. Meta crossed over. Meta got to close here. Well, let me look at the 5-minute because Meta looks amazing, guys. Meta looks amazing. It's gonna go to 739 for Meta. 739. Oh, there goes Meta. There goes Meta. There goes Meta. It's gone. Good job, Breeze. Once again,
that's fucking dope.
That's good job, Breeze. Yo, Meta's pushing. Meta's pushing, guys. Meta has blue candles, green candles, and teal candles. It's like Meta, this looks great. But again, we're in a 21-day supply zone. So you want a candle close over it. You want a candle close over this area. If you don't get a candle close over it, yeah. Just get it. Just wait for a candle close. That's all. That's all I'm saying. You have 7 minutes for that. Yeah, is that a long time? Absolutely. But it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Let's see what the exposure looks like. Exposure is still, why do they keep doing that? Exposure still 6,700 is still the highest. And then on 6770s are the highest for the calls.
738. Amanda, did you get in?
I did, but I chased, so I'm in at like a bit high, but I'm up $50 right now.
Good job. That's nice.
Secure some money.
Okay,
Just don't take. You put a stop loss at your entry if you want to, but just don't let it go.
That's kind of what you got to do. Stop loss at your entry. These 6670s, they went up. If you chase them, you're definitely down. But I called them at $1 and change. I don't remember exactly, but they went up. So like,
oh my goodness, bro, this is wild.
They're down right now.
I'm at 75%.
Look at that one. Look at that one candle, bro. That one candle is absolutely incredible. You watch out here at the 739, bro. I told you you can go to 739.
Yeah, that's why I got 740 as my target.
739.46. So
I might exit soon.
But again, it could literally close over that.
Yeah, I know.
So
I mean, imagine if I was supposed to swing it the other day, bro. That was instead of Jarvis called out the swing too.
Nice. It's looking good, Breeze.
It looks amazing. It's pushing.
I mean, too.
It's pushing, but it has a rejection zone. I just want you guys.
Yeah, you gotta be careful around 739, 740.
Yeah, that
even earlier.
This monthly line right here is just the only thing I worry about. Other than that, you guys are good. If it closes over that, you just watch it. It's not gonna.
Yeah, we're watching. Appreciate it.
I like it. I like it though. I like you have a big blue candle. Usually blue candles are followed by other blue candles.
My girl's account is at 40%.
That's crazy. Crazy, guys. What a move.
For one play, one contract too. All right. Jeez. I don't want to see 737, guys, so I'm just letting you guys know. But he said we need to close above that, so
Yeah.
I don't want to see 736 is what I mean. Like, are you, Kiki, are you up right now?
Yeah, I got out. I was trading in two accounts.
Okay.
I don't like the pause.
I might hop out to it, Amanda.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I
a
got out of
that's a
those
perfect
couple
Okay.
that's a
weeks ago.
perfect exit, guys. You guys got out. Look, you got out the perfect hedge, previous day high. Perfect play. 70% for Breeze. Almost
What the
first
price I
play.
wanted.
First,
Yes.
yo, both my first play went 70%. Breeze's first play went 70%. Quick money. Next, it's still going, Breeze. It's still like
I know, bro. I did that to me yesterday. I know.
It's stopping here. It's like, but it hasn't hit the monthly line, which is 739. It's at 738.54. It's just doing some things. The candles are getting more blue, which is wild. Cassandra did a good. I'm sure she texted me just now. She probably did something crazy as usual. Cassandra's an amazing trader. Okay. Leak, you're down. You're down about $40 a contract. It's okay. I think the puts are still gonna play out. I like the puts still. Guys, look at the 6670s. They're $1.97 right now. $2. Damn, they're gonna watch. Look at the puts. Look at the puts.
I grabbed one at $1.90.
Wow, good job. They're $1.85. So you're hanging out. You should see 250, 240, and that should be a nice move. But again,
they've been fluctuating between like 175 and 190.
Yeah. So that's not a bad play. Like, I like the puts. I like them. Don't mean that I'm right, but I do like them. I do like those puts.
Is it still for Meta?
No, that's the Meta is Meta. I think Meta's done. That's my opinion.
I'm out of Meta.
I think Meta's done. Meta. I think Meta's done. The 6670. I think the 6670s are gonna do okay.
Can we turn the transcript back on?
Okay.
Bro, why does that keep getting turned off?
I don't know.
But thanks for asking. If you guys ever see it getting turned off, just
I'm in the 6670s now. I'm in the 6670s now. I will get out if they, I have my stop loss is above. My stop loss is close. So I got in at the bottom, I feel like I got in at the bottom. I'm not sure. We have a trend line that it rejected. It was 175, 185, 190.
Yo, I'm done, but I'm gonna be here.
Yo, love it. Love it. Good job. One done for the day. Good job. One person done for the day. I'm up $5 on these contracts. $2. I got in at 190. The 207. Excellent move. Already 207. Anybody else get in the 6670s, the 210?
I got in at 185.
Excellent. Good job.
I'm in at 185.
Excellent. 185. Let's see what happens. I'm watching. Look. Didn't I tell you guys to get out of Meta? Look at that Meta drop. That Meta drop was crazy. 195.
Yeah.
That Meta drop was crazy. We're gonna get a crazy drop, guys. Watch this. Watch this drop. Watch it. It's gonna happen. Watch it. 195. We're going to get a crazy drop. Let me look at this. Yeah, I like this. We're gonna get a crazy drop.
I'm in at 190.
Okay, you're up $10. 185. Again, your stop loss should be quick. It should be small. Like, I mean, again, because we got it at the bottom. So if it starts going the other way quick, we'll know. Like, it should be a close stop loss. Stop loss should be quick. It's close and tight. That should be one of those. I like what happened on NQ. NQ rejected. Let's see if it happens. NQ is coming back up. It went at 180. Let's watch it. I gotta watch this. Let's see what happens. We're having a lot of it looks like it's gonna come down. That's just my thought. Looks like it's gonna come down.
The VIX want to come down. It's just playing.
The VIX is holding at the 90 EMA. The VIX, we'll see. We just gotta watch it. We're at one. Our contracts are holding. Oh, look at Meta, bro.
Oh my gosh, Q's.
Look at Meta. Watch it, guys, because the Q's just pushed. So watch your contracts. Everybody got in at 190, so we're at 170. Do not take a big loss. You can exit, and I'm talking you through this. I'm not telling you what to do. All I'm saying is most people got in at 190, they're 175. So you're down $15. 165. 165. Watch it, guys. 171. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm holding on to them for just a little bit, but I will exit quick. I'm in at 190. I'm down $20 a contract. Nothing crazy, nothing that I can't manage, but at the same time, I won't take a big loss because I feel like I bought at a really good price. I'm down $10 again.
Need this close under PFP.
Yo, let's go with back break even. Excellent. I got in at 180. Really? 185. I'm sorry. I got in at 185, guys.
Bro, Q's
That was bad. Me.
That's crazy.
What happened? Yeah, finally, right, bro? Like 1 out of 20 days. But yeah, 185. If I just swiped, we're back at 180. I'm down $5. I think, listen, it looks really good to the downside, in my opinion. It really looks good to the down back break even. It looks good to the downside. I like it. I like the downside. The VIX is trying to hop back up. 192 a contract. 205 a contract. Can I find? I haven't screamed in a few days. Doesn't it feel like it was a long time since I went crazy? Like, is it me, or have I not went crazy in a while?
Yeah, nah.
I definitely.
Monday was great because of AWS, and then yesterday was like.
Yeah, bro. Yesterday was Trump. AWS going down didn't allow me to go crazy, but I gotta go today. I'm gonna go crazy today. 172. Watch it. 177. Watch it, guys. It's just a lot of back and forth. We're gonna get a drop though. We're gonna get a drop. It's gonna spike. We're gonna get a drop. I really feel we're gonna get one. 180. 180. I feel like Meta went through the monthly line and rejected the monthly line. Meta is what's holding up SPY right now. Meta is pushing. Meta is at 739.40. It went to 740. It went to 740.60 and got rejected. But Meta's gonna hurt us if it keeps going up, guys, on the puts. So watch Meta, and then look at your contracts. We have 165. Watch
Microsoft and Google and Nvidia.
Can you check Q's for me? Can Q's reject somewhere up here? What do you see?
Yeah, the VIX got blue candles on the 5-minute.
Really?
Yeah, 25,290 would be the rejection point basically on M&Q on the hourly.
The VIX got a blue can for real, bro. I mean, my
you got some room to the upside still though, a little bit
on.
but you do have some rejection up at the top.
My Jarvis
25,290 roughly.
My Jarvis is taking a long. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry to talk over you. My Jarvis is taking a long time to load, but Come on, we need to get over. VIX needs to get over. Yeah, it closed under. They had blue candles, bro. There's no more blue candles now.
Yeah, mine's is green.
Meta's at 38 now.
We're back up
37 now.
195. 195, guys. Meta just got clapped right at my line. Geez. Well, come on down, Meta. Please. I don't know if anybody still in Meta? Because
we out.
all right,
bro.
excellent.
We
So yeah,
going.
Meta died.
I wanted to take puts. I wanted to take
your money for Qs is sitting at 611.60. But not much. The big money is sitting at 612.22.
Thank you for that. Let's see where the money is.
You should get a massive, my guess is a massive first time rejection at 612.20-ish to somewhere around that range.
Meta
If we
don't
go
want to
there on
give
5
up.
minute.
Meta does not want to give up, bro. Meta does not want to
look at Microsoft, Google, and Nvidia all pumping, by the way, too. Those are the ones that are really pushing it.
That's what
Microsoft's up over 1%. I believe Google's up like 1.5%.
Yo, this is wild, son. But yo, you have a lot of strength in the market, guys. 190. We're back to 190. If you guys we're back to break even. If you guys want to exit, it's up to you. 192. We have a lot of strength in the market, and we're betting on weakness. So I'm still break even, so I'm okay. I'm up $2, but I just want you guys to be safe. We can always.
Chris, Inq's previous candle real quick just closed under VWAP, the 9, the 21, and the 9's coming under the 21 currently.
I love it. I see it. It rejected my trend line. So let's see it, but it's still just hanging out right here.
Yeah, they're still hanging there.
It's still hanging out.
That Microsoft and Google push is really helping
it's
us.
pushing it, man. I'm watching NQ is popping back up. Man, we're 170, guys. I think we're gonna get a big drop. I do once these buyers give up, because it's a lot of weight on them. It's a lot like the buyers. I can see the strength dying out, and when it dies, we're gonna get a big candle down. I see a big candle coming down, like a big one, and we're just gonna be like, oh shit, I see it. We're hanging out at 180. We're hanging out at 180.
Yeah, there's just been staying around this price range, so I'm chilling.
So that means this price range. What that means is that, in my opinion, that they can't get through here. After a while, they're gonna give up. You know what I mean? That's what it usually means.
Hey, Chris, remember we talked about orb getting messed up again? Look at Q's popped out of orb after that little bit of time, and the very next candle you got in, you'd have been smacked. They did it again.
They messing with orb. We're at 165, guys. I think we're gonna be okay. I do, but I just want you to be safe. You guys, whoever's down is down just a little bit, not much. You're down just a little bit. A little bit. You're down. It was 167. I think we're about to come back to 175 in a second. I'm looking. These candles are so nasty looking. They look bearish, but who knows? Oh wow, big pop. Watch it, guys. 170, but we got a big pop. So we got a big pop, but it was 165 again. $165 again, 167, 165 again. Yeah, it's so much strength in the market right now. Tesla's down, Apple's came down, Amazon came down, Google is coming down. IWM fell. Oh, look at IWM. I told you guys under 245 is 245. Damn, look at IWM is dying. Look at, I told you guys, IWM, don't miss it. That would have been a bag right there. Man, look at IWM. I told you guys to watch 245.69 and look at it. Man, IWM, nice move. Anybody who caught that on IWM is happy right now. Man, whoever caught that is very happy. We're back to break even on these contracts. I am, at least. Back to break even. I'm up I'm up $3. We're coming back up. Everything is falling now. Oh, we got blue candles on NASDAQ on the NQ, blue candles going down. I seen this yesterday. The blue candles are falling. What? 197. We're back up. 197. Blue candles are falling. What? Red candles on VIX are going up. What does that mean? Are you seeing this? I see dark red candles going up. Blue candles falling. Let me show you my screen. This is something I've never seen before. NQ. Hang on, watch this. Wait till yo, look, NQ has red candle. What time frame is that? That's the 5 minute. Let me show you the 5 minute. Look, this looks bearish as hell. Look, I'm gonna show you where to go once Jarvis comes on. We're back to 190, guys. We're gonna get a big drop. I think we're gonna get a big drop. Oh, come on, Jarvis. Why are you taking so long? Yo, there we go. We're back 195 on these contracts. There we go. Look, come on, drop hard. Drop hard. Look at blue candles going down. You see that? They went back green. Now they're back green, but they were blue. They were actually dark blue. And look at VIX. The candles are going up in red. And this candle is red going up. Watch, you'll see it turn. We're 197, guys, with $2. 190. Look at these candles going up on VIX, and they're gonna be red. I've never seen it. You gotta take a second to load, but that's crazy. I've never seen that before. I just want to see what happens when it does that. Look, red candles going up. It's crazy. And blue candles coming down. Look, NQ just fell. NQ just fell. We looking good. 195, $2. $2. There we go, guys. There we go. We're looking better now. Much better. $2 with $2 on these contracts. Let's go. We're gonna get it. We should get a big drop soon. Oh, we're gonna get paid. They're starting to pay. These contracts are starting to pay.
IWM is still at Jarvis's entry for downside.
Yeah, downside for IWM, guys. Thanks, Breeze. Thank you. Back to 185, man. That was this pop. This is maybe showing. I don't know. I'm gonna see what happens when we get blue candles to the downside. This is the first time I've seen it. It got to lose this level right here. NQ has to lose this level. We're back to 175. We were just at 202. This look at this candle shape. This candlestick formation. This looks like a rounded top. That means it's gonna come down. And it's doing it. We need to get some darker candles so I can understand what the hell. Look, we have a 93% sell. So hopefully that's what's leading it. We're back up to 190 on these contracts, $2. Come on. 195. Let's go. 205. Let's go. Are we getting paid, y'all? Come on, let's get paid. It's been doing too much of this back and forth. Like, I don't like when we get in, we usually get paid really fast. Like, this is taking a bit. I'm gonna check YouTube, bro. Make sure this guy's not speaking again, bro. Like, the hell? Yeah. Come on, why? Built in a squeeze. Never even mentioned squeeze. Never mentioned a squeeze. So blue to the upside and red to the downside. I built it for volume for the Bears and volume for the Bulls.
It's very weak.
Yeah, it's very built in volume for Bears and volume for Bulls. The volume for the Bulls is blue. The volume for the Bears is red. So it's just a lot. Yo, we just went up to 225, back to 170 within a heartbeat. So you guys made $25 or $35, but it came right back to down $20 in a heartbeat. 165. It's going back and forth. This gotta, and my internet, it's gotta do better than this. Let's see. Trump is speaking. Trump live. Let's see. Nothing. President cancels planned summit with Vladimir Putin. Man, we were just doing so well. We were just doing so well. Trump on Gaza ceasefire deal. Nothing. Watch live. That was yesterday. Nothing. Fed speakers.
All right, I don't know how to pronounce this person's name. Markia. It's got like a multicolored screen profile. And like, can you mute yourself, please?
Yo, what is happening? Yo, they just went down to 160. Like, look at, but the thing is, look at the move we got, and then look at how it goes back. We're not getting paid again.
Yeah, those contracts not moving.
Those contracts are not moving, but they went back. All right.
I'm looking at the RUT
I'm gonna go look this back and see what it is.
485s for today. I got a 2500, but the 2485s look good. There's like 500 at one point today.
A word? I never played RUT yet, but Derek told me to play those. All right, so we still have the volume on the 6700.
I like the downside on that though.
I still like the downside. I still like the downside. I'm going to be honest, but I just don't know. It keeps bouncing. So maybe we have to hang on, and hanging on for too long is just not what we do, because, you know, we have same days, which ate us up. So
Moving averages are sideways right now on the 5 minute.
There's a good chance this rejects PCP and then makes another leg down to like 67.24-ish.
I would love that to happen. It's just giving us such a hard time right now, man. Like, everything is just giving us such a hard time.
Don't want to wait for it.
I don't want to wait for it either. This is nuts. You see, look at this. We got the move we wanted, and it didn't pay us. here. We got the move we wanted. It came all the way down here. Come on,
I put them
fall.
165 to like 210 ish, and then just got out.
Fall. We got orange candles to the downside now on SPY. We're back to 175. Come on, 180 a contract. Let's go. Look, there's a lot of freaking movement in the market today. It's super volatile.
SPY rejected that 670 twice today. Orb low and London low.
Again, London is gonna pop up until 11 o'clock. Just keep that in mind. It's gonna keep moving until 11. It stops at you'll have a solid London low or London high at 11. Just so you know. So because London market closes at 11. What is Tokyo looking like? Did we break out of Tokyo? Let me make sure I got that on. Tokyo session, London session. I'm about to muddy this up real bad right now. There we go. Nice fall. Back to 180, guys. Back to 190, guys. We're finally getting some downside. 190, $2. Let's go. Come on, $2. 195. We're getting what we want. Finally getting what we want. We finally
green, yellowish candles on the VIX.
Let's go. You see that, right? Finally, the yellow, that means it should be switching to green. From red. We have red go up, which was crazy to me. Never seen that. Come on, VIX. Push. Come on. SPY. Fall. 185. We're back to break even, guys, on these four. Yes, we're back to break even. This is too much back and forth at the same price all day. 194 contract. These are looking better. 195 a contract. They're looking much better. 195. We're up $10. Well, $5 for some of you. Some of you got in at 220. So we get about $40 down. I'll keep an eye on 220 for you guys. We're 180. We still look, we're falling hard. You should be seeing $2 in a second. You guys are down at 195. You should be seeing $2, 210. Let's see, we see 210. All right, let's go. Okay. Well, look at us falling. We're falling hard. Let's make these contracts move. We're falling hard. There we go. $2, right? 195. There we go. 205. Look at this fall. There we go. Finally, 210. 205. Look, that's the fall I've been looking for. Let's go. Come on, let's see 220. Can we see 220? Can we see 220? Can we see 220? Come on. 215. Let's go. 220. Let's go. Let's go, baby. 215. Let's go. Let's go, VIX. Go, VIX. I knew this fall was coming. They saying these contracts can get to $7, guys. They're saying these contracts can get to $7. Alexa, play Gunna's new album. Let's go. 225. 230. Alexa, let's keep going in the same direction, baby. Let's go.
230. Sir, you're doing too much. I'm not going to.
215. We got big red candles. 210 a contract, guys.
Stay green on the VIX.
We're going up, right? We should be falling on SPY. We're falling on SPY with 205, 212. You guys had a rough ride, so you might want to take a small win. Who knows what you want to do, but everybody's in the green now. Well, I have one person that's down $5. One person that's down $5.
No, I'm out. I got out at 2:30.
Good job. Excellent. You see, I love it. Good job. Good job. We have a support level right here. You see my screen? It might look, I don't like this level right here. We got to break through this level on a low right here. We got to break through that level if we're going to keep continuing down. Good job. See, that's what I'm talking about.
We can't see it. We only see farm data.
My bad, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm out till afternoon. This was headache.
This was headache. Yeah, man. When you got a market that don't want to move, that see, now you're paying attention to your inner voice, which is doing well. That's what's up, because that intuition is nothing like it. We're back up to 195, guys. They're saying these $2 again. They're saying these 210 again. They're saying these contracts can get to $7. Well, we got big red candles, 210. Let's see, 230. $7 again. 220. Let's go. Whoa, 225. Let's go. 235. We broke through it. Who that dropped again? Let's go. Come on. Can I see 250? Can I see 250 on these contracts, please? 235. Can I see? Hey, 240. Let me get 250. Let's go. Can I get 250? I want to see $3. 245. That's a good job. Can I see $3? Let me see $3. Let's go. Let's see $3. 307. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. $3. $3. Boom. Let me see $4.
That was my first play of the day, man. My first play of the day. I went short there.
Excellent. Yo, what a play.
I was waiting for that.
What a play.
I shorted NQ on that, Derek.
Excellent. I've been waiting for that. We held. Yo, we were patient.
Hey, y'all.
We've been patient and we caught it. Yo, we were patient and we caught it.
100 on that, Derek.
Yo, we were patient.
How much you make? 600?
1,700.
Oh.
On that one move on futures, bro.
Yo, we were patient.
Have a great day, Caesar. Enjoy it.
Yo, we were patient.
I know you're signing off.
Oh, I'm out. I'm done.
I know you are, bro. The most disciplined.
I
Yo.
know you guys are friends, but make sure we can hear Chris.
Yo, what's up? We were patient and we caught it. 740, 320. Let's go. We caught it. Yo, we caught it.
Congrats, Chris. Congrats.
Thank you. Yo, we fucking caught it. We did it. Yo, we caught it. Oh my God. Yo, my goodness.
Chris, you ready for that play? How I got that one?
Yo,
You're not gonna believe it.
Bro, what a move, man.
I partially played orb rejection back off pre-market low, and then when it came back under orb, I set a limit order, and then boom.
Yo, what a move, bro. What a move. 720, 750, 340. Yo, let me cook. Let him cook. $8. Let's go, y'all. Yo, $9, 380. Another 200% play. There we go. There we fucking go.
This morning too on
I fucking told y'all I am back. I told you I ain't screaming a while, and that is not cool. That is not cool. Yo, what? What? Yo, I can't be stopped, son. Yo, what? Yo, let me cook. Let him cook. Let him cook. 350 a contract from 190. We did 100% play. Yo, from one. Yo, let's cook. Y'all, I told you I was going to be a big drop. Didn't I say it was going to be a big drop? A big drop. Bang. Bang. Let's go. I told you I was going to be a big drop. Yo, what? Good job, Raheem. 100%. I told you. You held it down from 173 to 345. I get a hundo every single day. Yesterday, I caught one too. I just didn't catch it, but I gave y'all one. Today, another one. I just went 200%. What? Let's go, Cassandra. How much did you catch? Yo, let's go, Cassandra. What? 870 a contract. Oh, what? I went from 350, 320 to $9 a contract, y'all. $9. I knew it. $4 a contract. Yo, what? Son. Yo, what? 950 a contract. I can't be stopped, son. What? Yo, nobody trades SPX like me, son. I don't care. I don't care. $950 a contract. I bought $10 a contract. Oh my God, son. What? Look at these. Yo, bro, I knew it. They were trying and holding on for dear life. Look at these candles are red. Look at M&Q. Do not sell right now. This is not financial advice, but I'm not selling right now.
Yeah, no, I trim, but I got my run now.
Oh,
you trim. Sorry.
Yo, look.
Because you're over 100%, you trim half.
Bro, 440 a contract. 129%. Bro, 435. These are gonna go. Y'all. We caught y'all. So everybody, Chris, the new guys, this is every day. Yesterday was not normal. Trump speaks and we don't get what we want. But we got it today. Good job, y'all. I want y'all to secure some of this profit. Your runner is going crazy. 160. Raheem his runner's going crazy. Yo, you still going, Rob? Yo, make sure you put trailing stop losses. I want your hands on the trigger. Trailing stop losses. We're at 430 a contract. They're saying these can get to $10. I want your hands on the trigger.
Yo, this is the last play until we come back later.
I am done. I'm done until later.
Yeah, no, we're not forcing Chris to take another play because
no. Y'all, if y'all missed it, y'all missed it.
This is it.
Yo, 420. We made bends this morning. Yo, watch it. We just had a London
called out calls on NVIDIA.
Yo, watch it. Careful, guys. Right here, be careful.
Hey, check your mic. Check your mic.
Be careful right here. We got a lot of buying pressure right here. Yo, you see when I turn music on, what happens? As soon as I turn on music, I'm serious. As soon as I turn on music, it lowers my anxiety and I'm able to not trip. I was tripping.
Yeah.
I was tripping. I was definitely tripping.
Yeah. Jarvis got calls on NVIDIA.
Yo, what?
Yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna.
Yeah. We're done.
Back later, but yo, appreciate you.
You're welcome, bro. Every day we do this, man. Every day we do this. And we're not even done. We're just getting started. Everybody, I want y'all out. I don't care. And you're up, you're out. I want y'all out. Thank you. You made money? Y'all made money? How much money did y'all make? Wait. One at a time. Hold up. One at a time, please. What did y'all make? I need to know how much percentage y'all made or how much money y'all made. I want to know. I'm live right now.
One at a time.
Whoever go first, please. I want to hear this.
So I made 50% on my first one when I trimmed, and then the second one went 120%.
Bang. Please, somebody go next. Look, it's still falling. Look at my fucking call out, guys. Who does this? Look at this fall. Yo, Leak, you got out too early, girl, this time. You got out too early this time.
Not if she made money, she didn't.
Yes,
Remember.
that's true. Very true.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm glad I got out. I want to wait till the afternoon.
Yes, excellent. Excellent. Damn.
Made 114% on SPY.
Bang. Hey, and I didn't even call out SPY. That means he took SPY on his own.
I made 129%.
Wait. Somebody's talking. Go ahead, bro. Say it again.
Yeah, I made $485, 129%.
Yo, bro, see? That lesson last night allowed you to stop tripping.
Sir.
You was tripping last night.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Who's next? Anybody else make any money? If y'all didn't, it's cool. Is anybody?
Amanda made money. Kiki made some money.
Yo, I know Kiki made money.
I don't know if they're still here.
If Kiki's not here,
I made 56%.
56%?
Yes, I got in at damn, I can't remember right now, but I got in at $3, so I made 56% and $120.
Who's that?
I'm sorry, this is Jasmine.
Good job, Jasmine. I don't remember speaking to you before. That's what I'm talking. Yo, new people making 50% on their money. Y'all have to understand, 50% of your money and you didn't leave the house, or 50% of your money on anything. If I told you you're gonna make an investment and you'll get 50%, you'd go crazy. Everybody, you take it. We did this trading. That's great. That's just not good. That's great. That's excellent. That's really good. Yo, my contract went from, I bought at $4.90, went to $10. 100% that contract. I didn't stay in the 100%, so I'm just letting you know. I got out at about 840, but they went up to 1040.
So I told you $10. Put a limit there.
The 6700s. Yo, y'all see? I'm telling you, yo. So the contracts that I choose, guys, yes. Are they out of the money? Yes. Are they far out of the money? Yes. But I'm choosing them based on my method that I've been trying and testing for the last 3 months, and all of my contracts hit today. All of the ones that we chose to the right side. So my contract, the 6670s and the 6660s, they went 100 to 200%. And then my 6700s went 100%, and they were 350. They went 100. And so if I bought them I told you guys to get in at 320, they went to 1040. So that's like 220%. I got in myself late, but they still went that much. They're still up to $9 right now. Hello? Yo, Erica with the 117%. Yo, please light up my chat today. Light up my profits today. We're done for the morning session. The morning session, we done on time, 10:30.
No, we killed it,
We
bro.
killed the morning session. Breeze with the meta banger.
Somebody mute.
Yeah, I know who that is. Bro gotta throw his computer in the trash. That's my boy Jay.
Hey, Sealy, this is Eric.
Erica, what's up?
So I made that on my drive to work. I just parked.
You walk in, yo, walk in there with your shades on and talk to your boss like.
I might just go back home.
Take a half day. Yo, whatever your boss tell you to do, be like, I'll think about it. No, I'm joking. Do not get fired from me. Yo, but look.
Just drop that 2-week notice and roll.
Yeah, be like, listen, y'all. You gotta talk to me different. Yo, Jazz, good job on your that. You know what that means, guys? That means she wasn't in front of no computer. That means she was just listening to me, and she did her thing. She listened. She executed. That means you don't need a computer. So if your computer is trash, you still can make bread. You can make bread.
Your calming voice, see, that's what it is.
My
You're
voice
very
is
calm.
yeah, right. Yeah. My voice, I'm mad calm. Yo, I told you I was gonna scream. See, the power of manifestation. Whatever you say you're gonna do, you're gonna do. I told you I was gonna scream today, and I did. So y'all think y'all don't want me screaming, but y'all do, because y'all make money when I scream. So we just got to keep that up. We did our thing this morning. Nice little morning. I made half of my goal for the day in the morning, and now it's time to wait until 12:30. I'm going to go do. I don't know what to do. Like, yo, you're right. Futures. Oh, I can't, bro. I made.
Bro.
Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna add a new account. Then I'm gonna buy a new account. I'll do a futures. I'll buy a new account with you.
Night,
Yeah.
I made $675 just overnight.
There you go, bro.
Yo, you see, bro. Jay, man, I'm very proud of you, bro.
Is that in a funded or was that an eval?
That was actually on a funded.
Yo, man.
And now you know how to watch this stuff, right?
Yo,
Logged out,
man.
done.
Logged out and done. Thank you for
We're
that.
done-
That's
done.
the biggest thing. You heard Caesar. I told y'all about this last night, another day. And I told you I celebrate him because you heard him. He had $1,700 on one play. He's done, out, logged off, doesn't say anything, rolled. Like, that's how it should be. This is why you trade. It isn't to trade all day. It's to get your money and go live your life.
Didn't I tell y'all puts? I told y'all them puts was gonna pay.
Is my screen not sharing? Oh, well. I mean, just making money. Chris, if you're done for now, I'll roll over to PLT and
Yeah, I'm about to roll over there with you right now, bro, to try to get some. I'm about to try.
We'll watch futures and everything there if you want. I don't know if you don't play gold today.
No, I'm not absolutely unless I'm playing to the downside.
Let's play soybeans or corn.
Bet, bro. Sound like a farmer. Let's go, farmer. Farmer
I live out
Derek.
here.
Guys, I'm gonna get off the line because I don't want y'all looking for nothing else. Yo, but your plays, my play is still up to $10 and $4, so they still at 100% each, 100 and change each. One of them is up 200%. The other one is up 420 for those. Let me ask before I leave: is anybody still in anything? Any psychos in here still in anything? Guys,
Nah, man, let's go. Take that break, man. Let's get up.
thank you. I appreciate y'all. It means a lot, honestly. You guys, it means a lot to me that you guys. Hold on, I think I gotta make $79. I gotta make. All right, let me play. I'm gonna go play futures with you guys. All right, I'll be back. Yeah, everybody, thank you guys. It means a lot.
All right, peace out. Thanks.
Peace. No doubt, bro.
Catch you guys later.
Later. Thanks, Breeze, for controlling the group. Breeze is my manager, no joke, bro.